Hi, everyone. It's me, Jimmy. And today I came to do a collab with a small creator named Krishna to raise his level and lower mine.
So welcome back to another video and I hope you are all doing well. As I have already told you, my job is to bring you good and useful content. You just have to take it and use it in your own life. So in today's video, I am going to show you how to locally set up a free, unlimited and no restriction voice cloning app that you can run on your own system and use to take your content creation and other AI project to the next level. And I guarantee this could be a great alternative to ElevenLabs. And I think this intro should be enough to get you hooked on the video. This was just a short clip example, but I am going to show you the full recording along with the complete setup. And make sure you watch the local interface setup after the installation is successfully completed in this video. Also, you can check it under YouTube timeline. But if you face any issues during the setup, make sure to comment within the next 2 days because I am planning to cover this in a combined video with the Claude models and I can try to address your problem there. And again, sorry for the delay. The video was already ready, but I got a little late because I had a fever. So without wasting your more time, let's start the video. Here as you can see, this is our main working model interface, the one you need to download. Now if you are thinking what's so special about this, let me tell you, VibeVoice was one of the best TTS model from Microsoft in the entire market. But after a few days, Microsoft pulled it due to defect related concern. There are two models, VibeVoice 1.5b and VibeVoice 7b, means 1.5 and 7 billion parameters model. But before Microsoft pulled them, some people managed to copy the complete code, and that's why I am going to show you exactly how you can set it up locally on your own laptop. So this is the copied GitHub repo of this model. You can also check it out from the link, and after some scrolling down, here you can see you can access 90-minute long text-to-speech model direct at a time, and also it provides multi-speaker support so that you can easily generate any podcast or multi-speaker text-to-speech conversation, but you don't need it because I created this entire HTML page with proper step-by-step guide and full setup. Here I will show you this full permanent setup in simple 7 steps, and no matter from what background you are, you can definitely get it. So please like the video, and if you are new in my channel, please subscribe. As you can see, we need only few subscribers to reach 1.12k. Now I am going to show you the entire setup through anti-gravity, but you can also do it in Claude. So if you don't have anti-gravity, first come to this website and download anti-gravity. If you need, you can watch any of YouTube video for anti-gravity setup. And as you can see, I already done this setup in my anti-gravity so that you don't face any problem in the setup. And then I created the HTML page. So first of all, open your anti-gravity setting and check this option. Then set this option as always proceed, and it will never ask permission for run any terminal command again and again. Now first we have to clone the VibeVoice repo from this link. So simply just copy this prompt, then paste the prompt in anti-gravity and hit enter. It will automatically start cloning the VibeVoice repo from this link. And if anti-gravity asks for some permission, allow it for this project. After successfully clone the repo, come back again to this HTML page. Now we need to install PyTorch. So click on this step number 2. Now you can install PyTorch in 2 ways here. One, GPU support or CPU support. If you use the CPU, generating a single line of speech can take around 1 to 2 hours. But in case of GPU, it can be done within 1 to 2 minutes. So that's why I prefer to connect your PyTorch with GPU. And I have already added an auto-detect GPU feature in this HTML page. So you can check it out here, or you can simply specify your own GPU in the prompt. Now copy this prompt and come back again to anti-gravity. Here paste this prompt and hit enter. Then it will auto-install PyTorch with your GPU. You can see the after installation interface as I have already done. Now open the third step of this HTML page. So this prompt basically for install VibeVoice packages. Again copy the prompt and paste it in anti-gravity, then hit enter. Then after some time it will auto install all packages. Now after all of this required setup, we have to install main VibeVoice version. Here in 4 number step, as you can see it for 1.5b parameter model, it will take about 5 to 6 GB space on your computer. But for better result, you can download 7b parameter model. So for 7b parameter model, change this 1.5 to 7 and then copy the prompt and paste it here. If you have a good internet connection, it will take about 20 minutes. And for some reason, if you stop the downloading, just enter the prompt continue and it will auto start downloading. Now for launch the VibeVoice app, come back to the HTML page and copy this prompt from here. Then run the prompt in anti-gravity and it will give you a local URL. And also it will run this type of local server in background. Now click on this local URL and it will redirect you to this main VibeVoice page. As you can see, it's running on a local server. So don't refresh when you are working on a project. But for quick response, you can set this inference step to 5. Here you can see all the model that provided by Microsoft. But these two Deadpool and MrBeast voice, I added by myself. So from here, you can create maximum 4 multiple speaker podcast or speech. The generation time will depend on your GPU and line length. But you can see the generation process after 2 to 3 minutes. Now let me show you an example. Here as you can see, I created this speech from here.
Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to tell you about VibeVoice, a groundbreaking text-to-speech model developed for generating natural expressive speech.
Also, you can directly download the audio from here. Okay, now let me show you how you can clone your own voice. Open the 6 number step. Here we need your audio or video file path location. Open your file, then select your audio or video clip, then copy the path from here. And then here paste the path and select the character name. Then the prompt will be auto update. Just copy it. Then again open your anti-gravity. One important thing, if you facing any error in this setup, you can simply take a screenshot and upload it in anti-gravity. It will fix it. Paste the prompt here and it will auto add your voice in VibeVoice model section. So now if I click on this local URL, as you can see the Deadpool voice is already added. Through this process, you can add multiple voice in your local VibeVoice setup. So you can create directly text to speech from here. Now next time when you want to launch the app, you have to run this prompt in anti-gravity. Otherwise your clone sound can sound different. That's why copy the prompt from here, run it in anti-gravity and it will auto start a local server in background. Then click on this local URL and it will redirect you to this main VibeVoice page. From here you can select your desired character and create text to speech. One more important thing, always use background music free audio when you cloning your voice. Okay, before watch the final result, let me show you something. Come to my channel bio and join this Telegram channel from here. To get this entire HTML page, I have already uploaded it in my Telegram channel. And please like the video and hit the subscribe button. We are going to reach 1.12k, so please subscribe. And here is the final result.
Whoever is watching this poor small creator's video, like
and subscribe to the channel.
Hey, stop. That's my dialogue. So yeah, subscribe to the channel, and for more crazy videos like this, comment Beast Game 2 right now.
What? Beast Game 2? No, comment whatever you want. And by the way, Jimmy and I are both AI voices.
It's not real. Hey, stop. What are you doing? Ek to pata nahi kahan se aa jate hain ye gareeb creator. Whatever, I am canceling the collab.